Just spray it.
Spray where?
Just spray.
Did you spray your nose?
You are such a baby. Such a freaking baby you are.
Talk to them. Tell them hi.
Hi, I can't.
What is it?
These are peanut butter with vanilla.
Tulog ako na sobra. Pati yung matanda guys. Nakatulog. Ano na, 7:30 na. Magluluto lang ako ng kainin niya. Kainin ko rin. Cyber Monday ngayon guys. Oh my god. Before I remember guys. Before wala pa kaming bahay. So wala pang mga bayaran. I mean may mga bayaran pero hindi talaga worried na worried. Ngayon na meron na kaming bahay, hindi na ako makaano na talaga na shopping talaga before guys. Pag Cyber Monday, Black Friday, yung mga sale sa Forever 21 kahit saan guys. Mag-order talaga ako guys. Kasi yung asawa ko guys, kapag may mga holiday, kapag may mga birthday or kahit ano, mga anniversary ganyan, mahilig yan magbigay ng gift card. Para regalo ba, gift card, para mabili ko yun kung anong gusto ko. So yun guys, pa-order ako guys, yung mga kahit anong mga anik-anik, yung mga sa Forever 21, yung kaibigan kong si Beth, magkontakan kami guys. Kung anong mga sale, kung anong mga ganyan-ganyan. I miss my friend talking to her. Oy, Beth, oy, kung nanonood ka, oy. Paramdam ka naman, Beth. Hindi naman ako busy, Beth. Huwag kang ano dyan, ha? Anyway, mag-ano lang ako sa laptop ko. Prince Charles, guys. Engaged na, guys, sa actress na si...
What?
Ano? Yung American actress. Wow. Sana hindi divorce ang datnan. Huh? Kasi ay nako. Baka maging katulad ng ama niya. Married and divorced. Anyway, naka-edit na ako ng 2 video guys early this morning. At time check it is 9:25 na ng umaga. Okay, so I have a question. Where is the check that I put in the table here for the bill?
Where's the check? I must use it.
No, I left a check over here to write the bill to send. Do you remember you did? Sorry guys, my tampons died. Hey! That's not my tampons.
What?
That's Tommy's girlfriend tampons. Okay, ito na. Ito na. Labahan guys, labahan. Andito tayo sa mangit-ngit na lugar. This is the laundry area. Turn the light on. Saka. Ay, nakaklag talaga. You know what? Uy, shit. You know what? Uy, shit. You know what? Uy, shit. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung pinakaayaw ko sa winter? Gusto ko yung winter, guys. Pero yung pinakaayaw ko sa winter is yung static. Every time you touch something that, like a rug, like this blanket, this nice blanket, you know? Tignan nyo to. I-try nyo ito at saka yung yellow. Yellow ang color. Sobrang bango guys, as in. Oh, ito yun si Tami. May mga picture dito. Oh, ito yun si Bubu guys. Yung namatay na pusa namin na sobrang mahal namin ni Tami. Tignan nyo. Ito yan. Yan si Bubu. Look, sobrang ganda niya. Look, tignan nyo yan. Ang gwapo talaga. Oy. If you don't know, I have a channel for my pets. I changed the channel's name and am concentrating Roxy. Ang pangalan ng channel niya is Life of German Shepherd. German Shepherd. German Shepherd. Ang saya pag may Christmas advertisement. Tignan nyo guys, oh yung cheese. Oh, na may melt siya guys. As in, nagmi-melt. Saya-saya. Ang saya-saya. What happened to the TV? Talking to the camera, nakalimutan ko kayo, guys. I forgot that the camera has been running the whole time in the living room. Tomorrow is garbage day. Let me check. Garbage day tomorrow. Hindi naman holiday, no? So, itatapon ko lang yung basura kasi wala sila dito. Nagtapon og ng basura doon, no? Kailangan ko nang ibutang ilagay sa sa walkway para ma-pick up ng garbage tomorrow.
Yeah, but that's by hand, right?
What is that? Squirrel and?
Skunk.
Squirrel and skunk.
Tell me away.
Just spray it.
Spray where?
Just spray.
Did you spray your nose?
Come. Dada will do something for your leg. Come. Okay, hold her leg.
Where's
It's
her
just
leg?
right here.
Here? Right there?
Yeah. That she will. Ay,
Oh,
nako.
it's still a bit.
Roxy, it's nothing. Oh, goodness.
You are such a baby. Such a freaking baby you are.
Honey. Han. Ay, no.
Ah, yeah, you spray her.
Roxy,
You can't
Han. It's not gonna hurt you, baby. Okay.
Such a baby you are.
Oh my God! Everything that need to be. Oh my God.
You're really a baby.
I don't know, guys. If we bring her to the groomer, she will freak out and the vet.
Die.
Yeah. I'm going to clean this string beans. Dinner namin string beans and pork. Itong dalawa, guys, they think that I'm eating. Look at these two. Ay nako. Get down. Get down. I don't have anything here. Are you starving, little man? Are you? Starving, my little man. Oy, nagpa-close eyes mo na, oy. You give me your close eyes, baby. He just give me a close eyes. You want to be love. Oh. You want to be lovey-dub-dub. Lovey-dubby-dub-dub. Lovey-dubby-dub-dub. Look how good looking is that man. Look how good looking is my little man. Ay, good looking man, oy. You're so good looking, my little man. There's nothing in your bag. Mama don't have food. He's looking on the table, guys, kung anong meron. What he can get. Oh my goodness, now my little man. Oh my goodness. I love you.
This holiday season, spread
Talk to them.
Hi, I can't probably. What are you seeing? The button on my zipper on my shirt? The little string? What the hell can I be seeing? Pointing here.
Point your face now. You don't know the camera is wide enough.
Well, it shouldn't be at that close range. Oh, we shouldn't sit on dimples.
Yeah, it's really tiring washing dishes, eh? Nakakapagod guys manghugas ba ng mga pinggan, sobrang dami. Did you shut the light off? Did you shut the light off? Oh, the dog is quiet, Han. Maybe they're out from the fence already.
Well, they had dinner. Now it's time for coyotes out there.
Coyote. Mean dada.
Mean. Who is mean?
Look like Roxy. Look like Roxy. Oh, Husky is a Malamute. Husky is a Malamute.
Well,
A family.
Same family.
Alaskan Malamute. The Malamute.
Siberian Husky.
The Malamute is bigger.
Yeah.
I noticed that. You know what I don't like about that? I feel bad with the dog. It's like 6 or more than dogs dragging that cart with a human in the back.
Oh, they don't mind. You feel bad for a horse dragging a cart?
No, but I love dog, honey.
Why, hon?
You feel bad with the dog? Are you kidding me, hon? It's like how many miles they have to
That's
run.
what they train them for. That's what they were bred for.
Yeah, but it's freaking cold, hon.
That's why they bred them.
Now our dog is going crazy now.
Those dogs are very at home in the cold weather.
Okay, let me bring the dog. You have so many toys. Oh. You're so cute, Mystica. Mystica. I love Mystica. I love Mystica. Han?
Nice.
Han.
Han. No one's making you stay outside.
What did you say?
Look at that blanket. It's really nice.
Blanket or coat?
No, the blanket she just took off, put it there, see?
Oh yeah, that's nice. The same thing what we got, but different color. Okay guys, Tommy is a coffee drinker. Ay nako. At tignan nyo guys. Look, he's buying this mini brownies right here. It's just very cute and little teeny tiny. What even is this?
A little tiny.
But I'm not really a sweet
Those have
person.
vanilla.
I don't like sweet stuff.
You do.
No, you're now like making that.
Those have vanilla. These have peanut butter.
What is it?
These have peanut butter. Those have vanilla.
Okay. Hey, stop it! I'm just cleaning my rice cooker. The rice cooker, I got this from the wedding. And then what are you gonna do with this?
What?
Just leave it here?
Oh, I want.
Okay guys, I guess I'm going up. Bye. She doesn't like it.
What kind of stuff are you taking?
Oh, that's good with coffee, Han. Right, baby?
Coffee.
That's good with coffee, my love. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna spend time, counting time para sa asawa ko, and then I'm going up very soon. I see you upstairs. Han, leave the sweater on the stairs that I won't forget to sew it tomorrow, okay? Huh? Just leave it on there, okay? It's a reminder, just leave it there. Can you bring my laptop bag? It's in the side where you put your shoes. Thank you. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night guys. Bye-bye. That's all I see, but they have nice cars. Okay. You're gonna surprise the dog.